Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex trading account types. All right, now Forex brokers offer different types of trading accounts, mainly based on position size and capital requirements. Okay, now the names of the accounts might not be the same depending on your broker, of course, right? You might not see the same name types, right? But we're just going to be briefly touching some, common features, right? For example, a cent account is designed for beginners, right? There are brokers that offer cent accounts, right? Maybe not all brokers offer it, but a cent account is designed for beginners. In this account, your balance is displayed in cents instead of dollars. So this allows you to trade with very small risk and learn without exposing too much capital. All right. Then, of course, there is a micro account, which is a step up, allowing slightly larger trade sizes, while a standard account uses full lot sizes and is typically used by more experienced traders. Like I said, your broker might offer different names. For example, now this broker is HFM. You can see there are different account types. We have the Cent, the Premium, the Zero Spread, the Pro, even the Pro Plus, right? You can see there is this account. So different account types, basically. But then we're just trying to cover common account types, with some kind of features. Okay, so that's why we talked about the cent, and we say that the micro actually allows you to trade smaller lot sizes, and then the mini account, if you find mini accounts maybe in your broker, is a step up, which allows you to trade to slightly trade larger sizes, right? To trade larger trade sizes, while a standard account uses full lot size and is typically used by more experienced traders, right? So if you look at the features offered, across the different account types of your broker, probably you can be able to see some of these similar features, right? With respect to, the accounts, the lot sizes that you can trade, perhaps, or maybe any other feature that is related to the capacity of your trades, right? But then I think cent account should be the one that the name is more direct, right? So the main difference between, the cent, micro, mini accounts, right, is how much each trade is worth. Larger accounts mean larger potential gains and losses. Choosing the right account depends on your experience level and risk tolerance. Beginners are usually better off starting small and gradually scaling up. The key takeaway is you start with an account type that allows you to learn and manage risk effectively. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.